Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the G4 notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the G4 notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery and hard disk drive. Removal: remove the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw identified with the keyboard icon that secures the keyboard to the base enclosure. Place the notebook on its side and partially open the display panel. While supporting the notebook, insert a long, slender tool into the keyboard screw opening identified with the keyboard icon and gently press in to partially release the keyboard from the top cover. Turn the notebook right side up and open the display panel. Lift the rear edge of the keyboard and rotate the keyboard toward the front of the notebook until you have access to the keyboard ribbon cable and ZIF connector. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the keyboard ZIF connector and disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the keyboard from the base enclosure. Replacement: position the keyboard on the notebook so that you have access to the keyboard ribbon cable and ZIF connector. Insert the keyboard ribbon cable into the keyboard ZIF connector on the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Push the locking bar down to secure the keyboard ribbon cable in the keyboard ZIF connector. Rotate the keyboard toward the center of the notebook and insert the tabs on the front of the keyboard into the slots on the top cover. Lower the keyboard into position and press along the edges of the keyboard to secure it to the top cover. Close the display panel and turn the notebook upside down. Replace the 5mm P1 Phillips head screw identified with the keyboard icon that secures the keyboard to the base enclosure.